What's up guys, I'm Robin and I make stuff. Sometimes it's great, sometimes it's all just a learning experience and I'm totally okay with that. We're gonna test these two out and see if we can tell the difference between them. Today we're testing out two different types of masking fluid to see if we can actually tell the difference. We have the tried and the true rubber cement, and then we have the, I don't know what this is my first time trying it, drawing gum. Well, I used this in 4th grade. Let's see if it still smells bad. Oh, starting to feel a little bit loopy. Let's see if this one smells bad. Do you have a smell? Oh, this smells like my grandpa's. We can confirm these both have a really bad smell. This one's really bad. This one is super messy and gooey. Comes with its own brush. Oh, this does not come with the brush. That sucks. Good thing I just so happen to have these masking fluid brushes. Gotta buy a whole entire brush set or buy the one that comes with 2 brushes. That set is 20 bucks. This thing is less than $3. It comes with its own brush. We're gonna test these two out and see if we can tell the difference between them. Today I'm painting totem poles. Super exciting. I wanted to mask off where all of the totem poles were going to be. Can you tell just by looking at this which totem poles were masked with rubber cement and which ones were masked with drawing gum? If you guessed that all of the small totem poles were masked with rubber cement and the large totem pole was masked with drawing gum, then winner winner, chicken dinner. I will say that the drawing gum had pretty impressive coverage, whereas rubber cement needs to go on pretty thick, and even then some of the paint does show through, which for this painting was actually okay. So which one do you think worked better? This smelly thing covered much better. It was a lot easier to control where it went with the brushes that I purchased in addition to purchasing this. For the price point, I would still be inclined to go with this rubber cement. You've got to put this on a lot thicker than you do this, and some of your paint will show through. This goes on really thin, almost to the point where I was like, if you want something that's crisp and clean, 100% white, I would go with this one for sure. If you don't care about that and you're a cheapskate like me, get this one. I think depending on your application, both of these work really well. Thanks for hanging out. Join me next time when I make stuff.
They wonder how I do it like that. 7 fit flex on the jacks on that.